Hey everyone, it's Mary. I have a confession to make. Sometimes I'm my own worst enemy. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So, not this craft day, which was yesterday, but the craft day before that, Diamond Press came out with a bunch of products like they normally do. And I kind of wavered back and forth whether I wanted one of the things. And I thought, no, I won't use that. And so I didn't pick it up. But now that you have to pay for every individual order, except for yesterday, which was different, I noticed that a lot of things aren't selling out like they used to in the past. So I was able to go in and get the Diamond Press scratch off card golden ticket, because the more I watched the videos about it, the more I came up with ideas that I could use for it and thought it would be cute. But of course, by the time I decided I wanted the golden ticket, they didn't have the refills. But they had the refills on Diamond Press's site. And so I was able to pick that up. And they were, still had some items from the Teal Tuesday. So, and these happened just to come in within a day of each other. So I thought that we could go through and see what was still left and what I picked up. I did get a free little gift. And it says, thank you for your business. And it's a banner paper pad craft sheet, which I thought was very nice. And then I realized that on my original Teal Tuesday order, I also got a freebie, and that was the stars. So it's nice that they think about you, and it says, thank you for your business. Enjoy your free gift included in this order. So, so that was nice. And their shipping is always reasonable. So this time I picked up the, I think it was called the Cherry Blossom. Yeah, Cherry Blossom embossing folder. Last time I had picked up, which I still have here, the stripes. So, and they were only like $4. So, and then I picked up, and I haven't opened this yet, I thought we'd do it together, the Diamond Press Faith Stamp and Die Kit. It looked nice. I thought it would be good because I do a lot of those senior center cards, and a lot of them like faith-based cards. So didn't have a lot. So I thought this would be a good addition. So let's see what's in here. I know there's a lot of stamps. There are dies, so that's good. And it is evidently an older set because it comes with the two older folders, but not the folder for the marquee, and no instructions. So let's see what we got here. So the stamps are, this is my anchor, always be joyful. The Bible, which I see there's a Bible here, and then the cross. but first God, by his word, love never fails. So those are really nice. And then the other set is, faith, love, hope. He is with you always. Another cross, an anchor. Hope shines through. When life gets too hard to stand, kneel. That's a nice one. And so there's the die for the hearts, the die for the anchor. There is a dove, a branch, a star, an intertwined heart, I believe. This one says seek him. This one says faith. And I'm not sure what these other two say. Nope, not sure. Anyway, so I thought these would be really nice. The only other scripture or faith thing that I have is the a flip panel cross card, and then some Easter things. So I was pleased to get that. All things falling apart. And then I picked up, like I said, the refills, just in case I make lots of mistakes or I make lots of cards. It's going to be one or the other, that's for sure. So, and I think the refills come in silver and gold. Let's see. And there's a lot more. So it comes with this shim, which is good. And then, yeah, it looks like there's silver and gold. So that'll be perfect. So if you're not familiar, let's open this up. And see what we got. So it has a marquee folder. It has the metal shim. And it has the scratchers. It has the big stamps, which pretty much take up, looks like they'll take up the front of a 2 or a good amount on a 5x7 also. See if we can get these out. And I would imagine, let me see, this is the front of a background for a slimline. And yeah, they're perfect for a slimline too, so that's awesome. All right, so this one has golden tickets, scratch to reveal your prize, happy birthday, scratch and match 3 to win your birthday present, lucky and love. As a lucky bearer of this ticket, you are entitled to the following. And so this scratcher would go right there. And scratch to reveal, thanks a million, and it says merci, dank, and gracias. This one, I was just noticing that this is the only one that doesn't say scratch. They all say scratch to reveal, scratch to match, scratch to reveal. But this one doesn't say scratch, so just hopefully they're smart enough to know. And then these are what you would put underneath the scratcher. 10, 15, 20, 25, 50 for everything. So the thanks for everything. You made my day. You're the best. For all you do. Favorite dessert, candlelight dinner, back rub, foot rub, breakfast in bed, massage of choice, favorite dinner, gift card, a token of appreciation, game night, movie night, dinner date. And then of course you can write your own underneath, and then they can scratch it off. So let's take a look at the directions. So it says to stamp and cut. Okay, there they are. So this would be for the golden ticket. Or I guess you could use it, doesn't make any difference. They're showing the ticket. Yeah, they're showing them with the plain rectangle and with the ticket, which I think the ticket is cute. And examples, you can either use the stamps or you can write your own. This one says Girls Getaway in Las Vegas. This one says gift card, new TV, socks, or new TV. Guess you're going to get a new TV. Breakfast in bed. Can I take you to lunch? That's on a thanks. A million, that's a nice one. And then you use this, or these, depending on which one you're using, to cut out the scratcher part. And it appears that the scratcher part has a clear, is like a clear sticky part that will stick on here. And then the scratcher stuff is on top. So it looks pretty simple. But I think it'll be so much fun. So cute. And hopefully these will stamp nice. So, yeah. So that's it. So I got the one from HSN, and then the refills from Diamond Press. Diamond Press's site is nice. If you haven't been there, you should. Their shipping is reasonable, and sometimes they do have older sets that you can pick up if you've missed them from HSN. So I'll have to use this soon, and I'll do a video for that also. So that's it. I briefly mentioned HSN's craft day yesterday. If you partook in that and bought anything, leave me a message in the comments. Let me know what you got. I did pick up, even though I said I wasn't going to buy anything Christmas, I did pick up Diamond Press's, both the Christmas boxes that make the cards, because they were adorable, and they'll be quick to make. A lot more cards than I'm normally making at Christmas, since I'm doing the cards monthly for the seniors. So I thought that they were awfully cute. I think that's the only Christmas stuff I bought. I did buy other stuff, but not Christmas. So I am waiting for those pocket, that pocket die from Diamond Press, but I think it's coming out on a Tuesday or something. I don't know why they just can't have everything at the same time. But who knows how HSN's thinking is. So if you bought anything, let me know. If you have this and you've used it already, let me know how it worked for you. Let me know if there was anything I should know, a warning before I get started. I did buy the extras just because I was afraid that I would probably mess a bunch of these up while I was getting the hang of it. So as always, I thank you for watching, and if you subscribe, I thank you for subscribing. If you haven't and are so inclined, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button or the like button. And yeah, I guess that's it. Until I see you or talk to you guys again, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.